Good day, fam. Welcome back to Marche's Kitchen. Happy Sunday. Today, we're going to be making some Thai sweet chili chicken thighs with a delicious cucumber salad and some rice. So, here in my bowl, I have the marinating some chicken thighs with soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. I have it marinated for about 15 minutes, and I have my first batch cooking on the air fryer. Also, right here, my next to me, I have some English cucumbers for the cucumber salad that I'm going to be dicing up with some onions and some seasonings. It's going to be real good. And then lastly, I'm going to put some rice on the rice cooker to cook. So this is my chicken thighs. It's already been cooking in the air fryer. They've been on for about 15 minutes thus far. I'm going to flip them. And remember, all it has on it is soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. And I did add a little bit of avocado oil in the marinade. I'm going to add the Thai sweet chili at the end, and I'll show you what it looks like when it gets there. Alright, so for the cucumber salad, we're going to be using English cucumbers, which are my favorite. I always use English cucumbers. They are easier to work with, and then you don't get all that. Your salad is not watery. It stays fresher longer. So to keep your salad from going bad faster and you having to eat it within a couple of days, I like to go ahead and remove the inside. So I just take a spoon, literally any spoon will do, and I just scrape the insides out. So then you have a blank canvas to work with, just like that. And then I chop it up and put it in a bowl. Alright, so now we're just going to chop up our cucumbers. I've already done a few, just slicing them down. Literally, you just slice them. And tossing them in a bowl for our cucumber salad. These are my last two. I'm literally just going to just slice them size. Doesn't really matter to me, personally. But if it does, make sure they're equal sizes. I am going to add some sliced onions in this salad. It's a pretty simple salad. Nothing too rigorous. But I'm going to put like an Asian twist on it today, since we are having an Asian cuisine. And I usually do a whole onion, but since I didn't have one, I'm just going to do 2 small onions. I've already peeled it and cut it in half. And I'm literally just going to slice it down. Now, try to get this like the slices as thin as possible, because it's going to be going in the bowl and marrying with the cucumbers to make some amazing flavor. I literally just toss it in. Literally. This is a simple salad. Anybody can make this. Alright, so I got my onions chopped up. I got my cucumbers chopped up. So now it's time for the seasonings and the flavor. So my go-to would just be cucumbers, onions, and then I would add Kinder's, the blend seasoning, which is just salt, pepper, garlic. I would literally just shake it on there and boom, you'd be good to go. That's the salad. My husband loves this salad. It's very simple. He loves it. He loves it. He always wants me to make it. But today, since I'm gonna be we're doing Asian dinner tonight, I'm gonna add some Japanese barbecue sauce. Bomb. This right here, bomb. If you haven't had it, they have a hot and spicy flavor. They have a bunch of flavors, but it's so everywhere. Bomb. I'm going to add Japanese barbecue sauce, shake that up really good, and then I'm going to add some sesame oil. Now, a little bit of sesame oil because sesame oil has a strong flavor, and you don't want to be walking around smelling like peanut sauce all day. So, just a tad dash of sesame oil, mix it up together. So, I literally just sprinkle some blend seasoning until I feel like it's a good amount. Because remember, this has no flavor, so you're adding the flavor. And then I'm going to do some Japanese barbecue sauce. Sprinkle that around. And then I'm just literally going to do a dash of sesame oil. And then I'm going to let it sit for maybe about 20 minutes until the rest of our food get ready. Sit in the fridge and percolate. And it's going to be good. I can already tell it's going to be good. And I'll show you what it looks like when everything comes together. Alright, so I put our cucumber salad in the fridge to percolate and come together for about 20 minutes until the food is ready. Now I found some day-old rice in my fridge. So to reactivate the rice, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of water on it because you know rice tends to get hard once you put it in the fridge overnight. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of water on it, put the lid on it, not tight though, and put it in the microwave. So you're just going to add some cold water. I literally just put some water in my hand and sprinkle it on there. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for maybe like 2-3 minutes. And then it should be tasting like fresh rice when it come out. Alright, so now all of our chicken thighs are finished. I'm going to add our sweet chili sauce. This is just a regular sweet chili sauce that I got from the BJ's. And I'm going to just pour it on there, glaze it down, and put it back in the air fryer for like 1 to 2 minutes for it to get a crisp. And I'll show you at the end. Yeah. Hey, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.